Hey, we gotta have a safe place to go, man. The tornado's on the loose. Then hold on. Can you get that light over here? Yeah, that light over here.
Do you need the other bag today?
This is, yeah, sweet. I need to find my there we go, my phone. Yeah, tornadoes on the loose. Vicksburg looks like it's gonna be hit the worst. It's in Vicksburg right now. Is what the.
I still gotta call Kalina. Shit, it's raining on me up there.
Hold on, I put my stuff in this bag. Where's the safe place to go? I mean, if this thing blows the roof off this place.
Wherever you can get it. I'm going to bed.
The tornado's on the loose. Man. Where's the cooler at? Alright. Call the wrecker.
Still in Vicksburg.
This is the part I dread when it's storms.
Love your shirt. Hey, baby girl, we left mine.
I got it.
Okay, you got it?
Okay.
I'm on number 10.
All right.
To the waiter. On my mind.
You had money in yours too, Miss Shirley?
Yeah.
Number 10,
Number 10 and...
Number 3.
Okay, come write your name and number right here. So that way, somebody know who knows who.
It's bad.
Nah, this is big.
Oh, it's late.
Get the light and come here. Jeff,
I got the number on
You got my number?
the number where you put the machine on. You just use your name.
I think it was about
You on the street.
Yeah,
She on the top. Okay,
I
yeah.
gotta get out of here.
I'm sorry.
it ain't your fault. That's God working, baby.
Yeah, that's true.
That's
Come on, Cheryl. Get out of here.
Yeah, my jacket.
Yeah, thank the Lord nobody got hurt over
Thank
that.
God pass on.
It was a lesson as a.
Thank God you made it.
Yes, ma'am. Where are y'all heading? Y'all heading to that safe room? Yeah, let's go. Cause I gotta take a. Oh man. Yeah, I gotta get down there to my get the record.
I'm quite sure I got
Oh man, it just really aggravates me. I got out of a jam, and then I got out of another jam. Got out of one jam, got another jam. Where's the safe room at? Where's the, like, where y'all gonna go if a tornado starts? Y'all got something to hold on to? Huh? Oh, the cooler, the safe room, or the bathroom.
The bathroom's right here.
All right, how do I get there? Okay, I'm sorry.
This one went by already.
Where's the record? How do I get in touch with a record? With that white van?
The truck.
That ain't me. There's another one right there now. Nah. Yeah. What?
The bathroom is full anyway.
All right, I'll just go over here.
Okay.
Man, I need to ride down to my down the way.
Yeah, they locked us up.
All right. Call the record, man.